Today we have the 2018 Ford Tourneo Custom. This vehicle has done just under 53,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can see that we have 8 seats in total, all of which are cloth. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control. On our screen we can access Android CarPlay, valet mode and voice control, mobile apps, navigation and Bluetooth. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below we have our AC with heated seats on either side.